pine trees, not just for people from the 1800s. There's some modern day uses, survival uses that I'm going to show you in this video. Fantastic. And of course, as always, stay to the end. My favorite one's at the end, but you're gonna be surprised at the benefits that pine trees have for us trying to make it through crap hits the fan.
Yep, and we're gonna show you all the cool things they can do.
Now, the most amazing thing, it's full of vitamins, because one of the things I get all the time on the channel is, how do we prevent scurvy? Because vitamin C, by the way, does not last very long when you store it on your shelf. A couple years max past the expiration date. And up here in Michigan, we don't grow any citrus fruits. How about you? You don't need to with pine trees. Did you know these pine needles, if you infuse it into a tea, gives you 5 times as much vitamin C than a lemon? And that's not for the fact that this lemon's plastic. We're talking about real lemons. And vitamin A. Vitamin A is amazing, also richly infused in these needles. Will help your eyesight, hair, your skin, and red blood cell production.
And it's great for your immune system. That's why in the days of yore, the old people back in the time used it for colds and flus.
So what I like to do is take the needles, cut them off, and put them in some boiling water to make some tea. This has been done for a long time, by the way, with white pine and ponderosa pine. However, you need to be very careful about this and think about this. The actual chemicals in here are an abortifacient, which means, you know what, if you're pregnant, it may cause a miscarriage. So for pregnant mamas, stay away from your ponderosa pine tea for a little while.
Personally, I like a little honey with my pine needles, but stay away from the yew trees. They are toxic. Look it up. It is not to be messed with.
Okay, and the best thing about it, okay, the second to best thing, I'll talk about the best thing in a minute, you can use them for cleaning. I mean, this is where we get like pine sol from. Let me show you how you do it. It's super simple. Just take your pine needles, a whole bunch of them, fill up a cup. Well, a jar would be better that you can seal off. We just had this cup sitting here.
Fill the rest up with vinegar and add 5 drops of lemon. Plastic works too.
And then you're gonna shake it up, seal it off, and let it sit for 2 weeks, and voila, presto, you have your own pine sol cleaner for your house. And the best part about pine needles, brushing your teeth. This is how it's been done for a long time. People think, oh, you can't brush your teeth back in the 1800s. Of course you could. Pine needles are good. You think it would be this part, and you can use this, brush your teeth with it. It's to get some like stuff that's like caught in your teeth out pretty well. But it's actually this part that works well. Trim it off. This gooey sap stuff. By the way, the sap stuff can be used to make fires too. But you can take this and people would just rub all through their teeth all around. Gives you a nice little pine flavor and gets all the gum and cooties out. Outstanding.
And there you have it.
Old-timey recipes using pine stuff. I'm all sticky now.
Yeah.
We're dealing with this stuff.
Yeah.
So I'm Eric.
I'm Naomi.
And we're going to try to do a lot more of these really cool old-timey stuff. Days of yore things that work well for you. Because it's not always about buying stuff from the store, but actually living off the land. Thanks, we'll see you next time.